I am in for a special treat tonight. I get a night off in the kitchen. Hubby's cooking.
Well, I'm honored that she thinks my cooking's good.
It is good.
All right, so tonight we vacuum sealed some salmon. So I'm going to take the salmon fillets and saute them in a little bit of coconut oil with a little bit of the rosemary garlic seasoning.
All right.
And we're going to use some of the sweet bourbon marinade on them. And it is so good.
Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even show y'all what it was. So it's a sweet bourbon marinade. If y'all missed our previous video, hubby and I bought ourselves a brand new vacuum sealer and have already put it to the test.
Yes, ma'am.
And so y'all be sure to come along with us on that video. I'll put a link to it in the description of this video for those of you out there that are interested in vacuum sealing, kind of a step-by-step guide of unboxing and actually using it for the first time.
So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and skin up these potatoes, get them cut up in some little bite-sized pieces, put them in the pot with some water, go ahead and get them boiling so I can make some homemade mashed potatoes. And then I'm going to saute the asparagus and then do the fish last. So.
Okay. Do you want me to go ahead and start peeling the potatoes for you?
Yeah, that'd work good.
Okay,
I'll
do that. At least help you out a little bit. I'm getting the pleasure of not having to cook, so I can help a little bit.
Rinse these off.
And the scissors are right here.
All right.
Okay, there's one. All right, here's your potatoes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. This is gonna be good.
Yes, ma'am.
You know how much I like mashed potatoes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And you know that Janine just did a video on KFC style.
She did?
Mashed potatoes and gravy. Yeah, she did. And y'all, if you are interested in some really good recipes, be sure to go check her channel out at Janine's Kitchen. I'll be sure to put a link to her channel in the description of this video.
She does some good food.
Yes, she sure does. A lot of energy in the kitchen for sure. So while you're working on this, I am going to go ahead and scoot away and get caught up on y'all's comments.
Just cutting the potatoes up in some like bite-sized pieces so it'll cook quicker. About the same size that you'd use to make like some potato salad or something like that. But the smaller you cook them, the quicker they'll cook. So. It's actually starting to get pretty cold here, y'all. I was running around in shorts, which I'm still wearing right now, and going out and doing stuff this morning. And man, this dropped down. This got to be in the upper 40s something right now. All right, let's go ahead and get these covered up in some water. Oh, it's already over here, y'all. Go ahead and throw some salt in there. All right, so I think I changed my mind on how I'm going to saute the asparagus. I was just going to saute it in a frying pan with some butter and some seasoning or some coconut oil. I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put a little bit of butter on the asparagus and season it and cover it with tin foil and put it in the oven while my sweet potatoes cooking. So that'll free up that burner there for when we decide to go ahead and cook our salmon. And as y'all can hear, I have the newest addition in here. Let me show y'all. Oh. Little Miss Gracie here, which has probably gained about 20 pounds since we've had her. I'm serious, she has gotten heavy since we got her. So she's helping me cook tonight. She's been outside in the pen with Shepherd. Alrighty. Back to it now. She's all grubby, had to wash my hands. All right, so just put like 3 pats of butter on it. And I think I'll go ahead and try some of this rosemary seasoning on it. It's rosemary and garlic. So sprinkle some of that down in there. And a little bit of salt. Our potatoes just started boiling, so I'm going to turn them down a hair. Y'all, I think I like cooking just as much as I like eating. So let's go ahead and pop these in the oven. Like I say, my sweet potatoes are already in there. Go ahead and let those be steaming a little bit. And I bring y'all back along when these potatoes get done. We're gonna have a little fun here. I want our viewers to chime in on this. And I want everybody to make a guess in the comments and leave it in the comments on how much you think Miss Gracie weighs.
Oh boy, this will be fun. Well, let's make it even funner. So we'll compile your guesses on Gracie's weight now. She's what, about 10 weeks old now?
Yeah.
So whoever wins, we'll try to do something, maybe a pack of seeds or something. We'll figure something out. And in order to participate, you have to be in the lower 48 because I'm sorry, y'all. I wish we could do it for everybody, but postage is through the roof.
Yes,
so
that it is.
We would love to hear y'all's answers. So let us know how much Gracie weighs, and we'll figure something out for the winner.
She's a little pudding ball.
Look at all the grooves. Yeah, she is, y'all. Hold on, let me get the camera so I can get y'all closer. Get an overall look of Miss Gracie here. Let us know what y'all think, how much she weighs. She is just a little butterball.
Almost ready, y'all. I know y'all can hear all them dogs. It's non-stop. One of them is always barking. We got 7 dogs, remember that now. So it's hard to get 7 dogs to be quiet all the time. All right, our potatoes are ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that burner off, get them over here and drain them off. Go ahead and add some butter to them. All right, give that butter a little bit of a second to melt there. All right. Y'all, we don't have any sour cream, we ran out of sour cream. So what I'm gonna do is just try a little bit of this Greek yogurt right here and put a little bit of that in there. And of course a little bit of milk. Bad thing about all these puppies, when you put 2 out, the 3 won't out. If you put the 3 out, they won't back in and the 2 won't back out. So you can't make them happy. We swap them around constantly all day long, putting 3 out, putting 2 out. That and the cows like to harass them. All right, let me give this a taste right here. See if it needs more salt. Definitely a little more salt. All right, let's go ahead and put a little bit of garlic in them. Just a little bit, just to give it a hint of garlic. You don't want to put too much in them and make it overpowering. That's perfect. Let that get hot. All right, y'all really gonna hear some dogs now. I just did a dog swap, so Tootsie's outside, Tucker's inside running around free. Rocky Bear and Doodles is up there in the room. So you're gonna hear Tucker whining. All right, so we got our skillet hot. Put that in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this sweet bourbon glaze on there, just a little bit. And a little bit of the rosemary garlic. Hey, Lucky. You want to come say hey to everybody, Lucky? All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and check on our asparagus and my sweet potato. Tuckers, don't get in the trash can. All right, I'm gonna pop the asparagus fat in the oven and let it cook for just a little bit longer. It smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells really good. That rosemary and that bourbon glaze, man, that's good. Oh yeah. Sweet potatoes doing. Clean up my mess here. I always try when I'm cooking to clean my mess up as I make it. That way when you get through cooking, you don't have a sink completely full of dishes and a whole big mess to clean up, because that just ruins your meal. If you clean a little bit as you go and just wash stuff up and kind of put it up, then you can sit down and enjoy your meal and not look over and see the big pile of dishes you got to still clean after supper. So, works out good. The mashed potatoes are phenomenal. I love them. Just the right amount of garlic in them, just the right amount of butter. And I've never tried Greek yogurt in place of sour cream. It is outstanding in there. So might be something we look into, because we can double up with the Greek yogurt. You can have parfaits where you put some fruit and some granola in it and eat the Greek yogurt. You can use it in your mashed potatoes, numerous things. Well, here she comes, Miss Editor-in-Chief, and I got Assistant Editor-in-Chief here too.
My editor-in-chief is helping. That would be
Yes,
Tucker, y'all.
he likes to eat, y'all.
So I think I got caught up on all of your comments. Y'all, thank you so much, because every single one of your comments means so much to us.
Yes, they do.
We always enjoy reading them and just building such an amazing community
Yes.
with you all. So thank you, and keep those comments coming.
Well, you about ready to eat? About 5 more
It
minutes.
sure looks good.
Wait till you taste them mashed taters. I love homemade mashed potatoes.
I do too. Can't beat homemade mashed
No.
potatoes.
You get a little.
So I heard you down there talking that you used Greek yogurt.
Mm-hmm. They're good.
That is good.
Mm-hmm.
That is good. So another little trick for mashed potatoes, to get creamier mashed potatoes, you can put a scoop of mayonnaise in your mashed potatoes. That helps make it creamier. Sour cream and the Greek yogurt.
Yes,
But,
I forgot about the mayonnaise trick.
yeah.
You always used
But
to.
it is good, y'all, with the Greek yogurt, because you can't, it's got a good flavor to it.
Yeah.
I like the garlic
Mhm.
in it.
Me too.
Very good, very good. This looks really good.
Well, thank you, ma'am. It smells good. Hopefully it's good.
Yeah. So anyway, but hubby and I got some salmon the other day from the grocery store that had this bourbon
Glazing.
yes, the bourbon marinade on it. My brain is getting sleepy now. But and it was so good. It just gave it such a good flavor. And we were actually going to go back and buy more, but then we were like, heck, let's just go buy a big old piece of salmon. We can vacuum seal what we don't use, and
Yes.
let's just buy the ingredients and see if we can make it ourselves. So I'm really interested to see what this is going to taste like compared to what
Yes.
was already I guess, pre-made at the grocery store in the
Yeah.
meat in the meat department. So
Yeah. Yeah, it was one of them little Whole Food grocery stores.
yeah, yeah. So anyway, like I said, we're gonna try to do a lot healthier this year for sure.
Yes,
so,
definitely.
But we are in the South, so we're still gonna be doing some fried cooking around here too.
And have our sweet tea, y'all.
And sweet tea. That's right. You can't stop that in the South.
No.
It's part of our Southern heritage here.
Yes, ma'am, it is. Yes, ma'am, it is.
So anyway, all right. Well,
Let me finish
whenever it
this
gets
up,
ready.
and I'll bring y'all along to see what it looks like when we get done.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, y'all. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek at what Mikey's been working on. Y'all remember we bought 2 whole chickens, and she's making some homemade chicken broth. So, man, I wish y'all could smell the kitchen. It smells so good in here with that cooking. So y'all stay tuned for that video when she starts canning this up. It'll be coming out real soon.
Now this looks good. Oh, I'm ready to try that salmon and see
Yes.
if we did a better job. Actually, I'm gonna try me a little piece real quick. A little sampling, y'all. Looks hot.
Good? I was worried about the glazing being the same, the marinade.
No,
If it
it's
was
really
one-
good. And I'm sure y'all know anything is always better homemade.
Yes.
That's really good. That salmon has some good flavor to it.
Yeah. Sometimes you just don't have time to be able to cook everything homemade, though. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
No, that's the modern day advantages. Sometimes they're good and sometimes not so good, but just do the best you can do.
Yep. And we know just as good as anybody else. You work all day and you get home at like 6 o'clock at night, 5:30, 6 o'clock at night. That's almost impossible to cook stuff from scratch. And we're the same way sometimes. We have to work outside all day in the pasture or something like that, working with the animals.
Sometimes you just got to do quick and simple.
Exactly.
Yeah, it just don't fit into the schedule all the time. But especially when the time changes and it gets dark earlier.
Yes.
So. All right, and grab us some forks.
Ready?
Look at that. Now that is a good looking supper. You got sweet potato. I like sweet potato too.
I love them sweet potatoes, y'all.
All right, I got you a napkin.
Well, thank you,
We'll
ma'am.
get
All
us
right.
some drink.
Well, I think we're going to go ahead and sit down and relax. We've been at it full steam today between cooking and doing a lot of other projects. So thank y'all for coming along with us.
But before we end this video, You're the official taste tester.
Oh.
So, you got you a little piece right there. See how hubby likes his salmon. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, you did really good.
Thank you.
I told y'all, hubby can cook now. He's a good cook. And it was nice to have a night off in the kitchen. So,
Yes.
but I will help him get this cleaned up. And he always does a good job. He doesn't leave too much of a mess.
I try to clean as I go.
All right, so we're going to go get our bellies full with this delicious home-cooked meal. And can't wait to see you on the next one. Y'all be safe out there. Take care. God bless.
God bless.
You did really good with this.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
All right, helper, you get a sample.
Every day's an adventure in this rustic loop. From sunrise to sunset,
Tell me what you
work
think.
and play. Celebrating farm life in the best kind of way. Oh, farm life where the green grass grows. Canning food and the garden shows. Taking care of animals.
Tootsie said it's her turn now.
Yes, she wants in.
Y'all come back and see us soon.